Welcome back, DJs. Today we're breaking down the top 5 best DJ controllers of 2025, perfect for beginners, gigging DJs, and studio creators looking to upgrade their setup. We'll cover features, performance, build quality, software compatibility, and value to help you pick the right controller for your mixing style. Whether you're spinning at home or rocking live events, these controllers deliver next-level control and creativity. Let's dive into the top choices of 2025. Number 5. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX is a feature-packed, beginner-friendly, and travel-ready DJ controller that delivers impressive performance for its price. Designed for Serato DJ Lite, it offers 4-deck control, making it an excellent option for DJs who want to grow their skills without needing a bulky professional setup. Its built-in 24-bit audio interface and simple USB plug and play connectivity make it easy to get started on both Mac and Windows systems. One of its standout features is the pair of 6-inch capacitive jog wheels, each with a high-resolution color display showing BPM, track position, pitch adjustment, and more. These displays give you the feel of higher-end gear and help you stay visually connected to your mix. Users love the compact size, lightweight build, and portability, making it ideal for mobile DJs and home setups. The controller shines with its FX paddles, offering instant control over 6 quick-launch effects, plus dedicated loop buttons and 8 performance pads per deck for hot cues, samples, and fader cuts. With the ability to stream millions of tracks directly in Serato DJ Lite from Apple Music, SoundCloud, and Tidal, you'll always have fresh music at your fingertips. User reviews highlight its excellent learning curve, strong build quality, and how well it bridges the gap between traditional setups and modern digital DJing. For beginners, hobbyists, and gigging DJs wanting a compact powerhouse, the Mixtrack Platinum FX is one of the best controllers in its class. Number 4. The Hercules DJ Control Impulse 500 is a powerful and beginner-friendly 2-deck USB DJ controller designed for DJs who want a solid, affordable, and intuitive setup. With built-in audio interface, hardware input mixer, and full compatibility with Serato DJ and Just included, it offers everything you need to start mixing right out of the box. It features 16 RGB backlit performance pads, responsive loop and out controls, and large touch-sensitive jog wheels that make scratching smooth and natural. The dedicated filter or FX section allows you to create clean, professional-sounding transitions with ease, helping new DJs learn mixing techniques quickly. One standout feature is the retractable, extendable feet, keeping the controller elevated and protected from spills, something gigging DJs truly appreciate. Users highlight how simple and reliable the Impulse 500 is, praising its true plug-and-play nature and easy learning curve. Paired with Just, beginners get access to powerful features and some of the best built-in tutorial videos in the industry, helping them master beat matching, transitions, and crowd-reading fundamentals. Despite its larger size, the controller remains desk-friendly and sturdy, delivering solid performance for home mixing and live shows. Many users, even experienced DJs, are impressed by its capability and quality at such an affordable price. Overall, the Hercules DJ Control Impulse 500 is an excellent choice for new DJs and intermediate performers looking for reliability, versatility, and value in 2025. Number 3. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 is one of the best beginner-friendly DJ controllers you can buy in 2025, delivering a clean, intuitive layout with a surprisingly professional feel. This 2-deck record box and Serato DJ controller is designed for new DJs who want to start mixing right away, while still offering enough creative tools to grow with you as your skills improve. Its simple design, compact build, and graphite finish make it ideal for home setups, traveling DJs, and small gigs. The FLX4 introduces new smart features that make mixing easier than ever, like assistive track blending tools and pro-sounding FX controls that give beginners immediate confidence behind the decks. One standout advantage is the USB audio output for microphones. This means you can MC, talk to your audience, or sing over your mixes without needing extra gear. Even better, it's a perfect controller for live streaming, since both your mix and mic audio are combined into one clean output. User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. One reviewer says they've DJ'd multiple local events with zero issues, praising its reliability and learning-friendly workflow. Another user loves its portability, noting that it travels easily, works with all major DJ software, and remains sturdy even after multiple flights. Overall, the DDJ FLX4 is a flexible, powerful, and easy-to-use controller, an ideal choice for beginners and mobile DJs looking for a compact, yet professional 2-channel setup. Number 2. The Roland DJ707M is one of the most powerful and versatile DJ controllers on the market, designed specifically for event DJs who need far more than just mixing tools. This multi-channel 4-deck Serato DJ controller stands out as an all-in-one event audio control hub, combining a DJ controller, live streaming console, audio interface, and full loudspeaker management system into a single compact unit. If you handle MC duties, event sound, or streaming, this controller is built for you. What truly elevates the DJ707M is its Roland DSP engine, delivering pristine, pro-grade audio. You get independent speaker zone control, EQ, compression, and even automatic feedback suppression, ensuring your events run smoothly without unexpected squeals or interruptions. Dual USB ports offer seamless DJ transitions or computer backup, while the iOS connectivity adds streaming and mobile playback flexibility. Performance-wise, this controller integrates flawlessly with Serato DJ Pro. You also get assignable Roland effects, the iconic TR-808 by 909 drum sounds, and OSC FX, giving DJs an incredible creative arsenal for live mixing and on-the-fly performance. The Austin Bazaar bundle adds even more value: a protective case for safe travel, quality headphones for monitoring, and a polishing cloth to keep everything looking new. User reviews are very positive. One buyer praises the fast shipping, easy setup, and free Serato DJ Pro activation. Another calls it the coolest and most affordable DJ controller. Overall, the Roland DJ707M bundle is a powerhouse solution for professional DJs, event hosts, and live streamers who need reliability and unmatched control. Number 1. The Denon DJ SC Live 4 is one of the most advanced and feature-packed standalone DJ controllers available today, built for DJs who want power, flexibility, and true laptop-free performance. Running on Engine DJ OS, this 4-deck controller lets you mix professionally without ever needing a computer. Simply plug in your music via the SD card slot or 2 USB inputs, then browse and load your tracks using the crisp 7-inch touchscreen. One of its biggest advantages is full Wi-Fi streaming support. With access to more than 100 million songs across platforms like Amazon Music Unlimited, Apple Music, Tidal, and SoundCloud Go Plus, you're always ready for any request at any event. Whether you're mixing at home or playing a gig, the built-in speakers provide surprisingly powerful and immersive sound, making this controller ideal for mobile DJs and live streamers. The SC Live 4 also integrates flawlessly with Serato DJ Pro and Virtual DJ, giving you full software control when needed. Connectivity options are professional grade, including XLR main outs, RCA, Bluetooth audio in, dual mic inputs, and booth outputs. A standout feature is standalone stem separation, letting you isolate vocals, drums, bass, and melodies directly on the unit after pre-rendering, perfect for creative mixing and mashups. Engine lighting controls, match song suggestions, and the ever-evolving OS add even more value. User reviews highlight its ease of use, wireless streaming convenience, and strong community support. Overall, the SC Live 4 is a powerhouse all-in-one controller designed for DJs who want maximum freedom, creativity, and performance reliability. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this top 5 best DJ controllers of 2025 breakdown, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss future DJ gear reviews. Drop a comment below and let me know which controller fits your style or what you want reviewed next. Keep mixing, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.